Introducing the 2025 seat, Leon 1, 5 ETSI, 115 horsepower DSG SE in stunning blue. This automatic estate is packed with features like air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth phone, and more. Safety is paramount with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, enjoy the convenience of parking assistance, centralised locking, and smart card entry. With a luxurious interior, roof rails, and advanced technology like LED lights and traffic sign recognition, this car has it all. Rest assured, with a comprehensive warranty, full health check, and servicing to manufacturer standards. Visit spiritmotorgroup.ie or call us now for more details on this fantastic vehicle.